and good morning, and thanks for joining in with Be Happy Crochet. Here we have Miss Rabbit and Hedwig. They're hanging out. If you noticed in the last short that I created for this storyline with Miss Rabbit, she met up with Mr. Bunny at Mr. Bunny's Flowers and Gift Shop. They were immediately taken with each other. He gave her a gift of those beautiful purple flowers you see in her mini brand's purse. Hey, Hedwig. Also, as you can see, we have some signs here. What are you saying, guys? Subscribe, like, comment, and share. If you've already done that, if you're already one of my fabulous subscribers, I would really appreciate it. We are growing this channel. And Miss Rabbit ordered a special gift, which was in that last short. As you can see, it was one of those mini brands. It was from the garden collection. So she's waiting for that over at Mr. Bunny's Flowers and Gifts. He's going to go ahead and have that put together for her special order. I'm going to go ahead and assist him because those balls are kind of big. I'm going to give him a break. So you'll see me assisting Mr. Bunny over at his florist shop. Let's go over there and help out and get that special order ready for Miss Rabbit. And Miss Rabbit is also designing a kitchen. So that's why she's been doing a lot of shopping. We will reveal more stuff from that kitchen that she's going to be designing very soon. So make sure you have that notification bell pressed so you'll know when those videos are up and ready to see. All right, let's go over to Mr. Bunny's Flowers and Gifts. All right, catch up with you guys later. Bye, Hedwig. Bye, Miss Rabbit. Once again, subscribe, like, comment, and share. Let's go. All right, we're over at Mr. Bunny's Flowers and Gifts. He's got these mystery balls from the mini brand series, one from the home collection and one from the garden. The garden is the one that Miss Rabbit ordered for her little shopping adventure she had the other day when they met up. How cute that was. Make sure you catch those last shorts I put up. Also, the home capsule, as you can see here, that's going to be a surprise because we know that Miss Rabbit is designing a kitchen. We're hoping they're going to be towards the 1/6 scale. That fits best with our themes and our dioramas. So I'm going to assist Mr. Bunny in unboxing and unwrapping these balls. So let's go. Let's get those ready and have a great time watching it. And make sure you make some comments what you think about these. If you've ever actually purchased any of these types of balls for your doll collecting, or maybe you're just collecting them, I'd like to hear from you. All right, let's go. Let's get these opened and we will reveal what's inside. All right, let's have a great time. Just want to let you know what the home capsule contained. It had 5 packages. There was a mini measuring cup, a frying pan, an air fryer, some wall art, and a really cute standing mirror. All right, stay tuned for the final recap. Okay, yeah, hey, unwrapping those balls were a lot of fun. Bunny and I enjoyed having you here. Let's review what we got. We got a terrarium set, a little potted plant, and the garden rake in the Mini Brands Create Garden. All right, in our home ball, we got 5 packages. Most of those are geared towards a 1/12 scale, which is fine. They'll be cute as props on shelves and things. But I think this standing mirror will work well. So I think that's going to be the special gift. What do you think? Yeah, he also thinks. Mr. Bunny thinks she'll love that. Miss Rabbit will love that in her home somewhere. Once again, thanks for joining us. I highly recommend these balls if you're a miniature collector. And the garden stuff really works well, I think more geared towards a 1/6 scale. So I'm probably maybe getting some more of those. Possibly another one of those home ones. Here's a collector's guide. I didn't mark it off, but it has everything. Everything I got in each one of these capsules was the commons. But that's fine, they're really cute. But here is the one I wanted, and that's more in their, luxury. That's their luxury. It's kind of more in that ultra rare. You focus on that. So maybe I'll try another home capsule. I'm not even sure what the size is, but we'll see. So join me next time on Be Happy Crochet. Make sure you have your notification bell pressed so you'll know when my next video is. Thank you for joining us. Mr. Bunny's Flowers and Gifts also thanks you. And we will see you on the next video.